Compound interest is different than simple interest. So compound interest is great if you are the one investing the money, and not so great if you are the one who is borrowing the money. So let's take a look. I know there's a lot going on this screen, but try to stay with me. We're going to look at what would happen if we had $500 invested at 5%. Now, compound interest is what would happen if at the end of every cycle, so whatever, if it's every quarter, every month, every day, every year, whatever, at the end of each cycle, whatever money you've earned in interest goes back into the pot, and then you earn money on the principal and the interest that you've already earned. So it's like earning money on money that wasn't even yours really to begin with. So compound interest is awesome. Let's take a look at the difference if I were investing $500 at 5% compounded annually for 3 years. So compounded annually just means that it takes a whole year before they take that interest to plug it back into your account. So for the first year, it would be normal simple interest. I equals PRT. T, of course, would be just 1 year. I would earn $25 the first year, and I would add that to the 500. So at the end of the first year, I have $525. Now, at the end of that first year, that 25 is in the account. So now when I'm earning that 5% interest, I'm earning it on the 500 and also that extra 25, which means this year I earned $26.25 instead of just 25. So I earned an extra $1.25 free money. I add that to the 525 I already had in there. So at the end of the second year, I have $551.25. And again, that's my total now that I will earn 5% of. When I multiplied that value times 5%, I ended up with a decimal that I rounded to the nearest cent, 25.56, and I added that to get a total of 578.81. This is my total for the end of the third year. So that's the total in my account. Now, if I were doing a simple interest account, what would I have earned in 3 years? I equals P of 500 times rate of 0.05 times time of 3 means a total of $75 in interest, which means 575 total. So between the two, is there a huge amount of difference? No. But if you're investing large amounts of money, then of course compound interest is the way to go. And again, this example was only compounded annually. The more something is compounded, the more often that interest is put into your amount that you're earning interest on. So compounded quarterly would be better. Compounded monthly would be better than that. Compounded daily would be even better than that. There's even a compounded continuously, which we won't get to right away in this class.